Yo, what's good, boys? I know I've taken a long ass break. I think a month. Then the break before that took like 3 months off YouTube, off socials. But I'm back, and hopefully I can produce some consistent content on all socials. So hit up the Insta, the TikTok. But yeah, new series. I think I'll call it Teenage Trader series. And for this first video, I guess I'll just be going over this week's price action for futures because I've made the change from Forex to futures, and I'll be trading the PM session in futures right here. Just because time zone, I think I understand it a bit better. That's one thing always in trading, and I'm not profitable, and I shouldn't really be giving you advice because I'm not profitable, but I think just keeping it simple, I've been struggling to do that. And yeah, I've cut down the hours I trade. But like I only trade for an hour and a half. Cut down the time frames I use, the confluences I use to enter a trade. So, first video of Teenage Trader series. Hopefully, I can become a PM session warrior. And yeah, I'll show you guys how I would have gone about trading this week. So, first off, Tuesday, bank holiday, no trading. Wednesday, no news. Okay. So I use the 15-minute for my daily bias, or my session bias. And as we can see, we have been just downtrending a lot. We had swept this liquidity, but then we had broken structure back down. So for me, I'm bearish. So 50-minute was bearish, so I'm bearish. And then I go down to the 5-minute and look for my liquidity imbalances. And as we can see, this bullish fair value gap got disrespected by this massive ass bearish candle. Therefore, this is an inverse fair value gap created in PM session. Let's get down to the 1-minute and look for an entry point. And then there we go. We get tap into the inverse fair value gap. We get a break of structure. Then we can draw up our confluences. We have, let me just delete this. We have a fair value gap right there. I mean, we have multiple fair value gaps, inverse fair value gap. And as you can see, we can just drop equilibrium. As you can see, this breaker block was the only thing that got validated, and we tap into it. We get a bearish reaction out of it. Entries right there. My stops would be just above, because this is the breaker block. It'd be above, probably like this high. And TP's very far away. Where is it? Oh, we have to go all the way back. Okay, we have liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Let's see which one people look at our. That's one thing. Noise. Okay, here we go. There we go. Right there. And another thing, I also like to enter on the second breaker structure. Let's have this. One winning trade. Take 2 trades per day max. and we break structure there. So we can draw equilibrium, because that's the only thing that does get hit right there. So we can enter the second position, stops just above the equilibrium high, then a bit of drawdown. But we can just target this thing. Draws a liquidator, as you can see, price for rockets down. But that's another thing. PM session, I think I've said this, PM session, go for smaller TPs, because the volume's a bit unpredictable. But yeah, would have made about 2R for the day. Not too bad. Yeah, that's just simple. Like, no BS trend lines, just going like, whoa, and just doing like connect 4 all over your screen. Simple 2R for the day. Let's go on to Thursday. No news. There we go. Yeah. Thursday we are. Who did this and this? We got get creative. Let's see. No, I got respected. We were bullish. We are bullish. 5 minute. Look for any imbalances. Oh, I forgot to mention. Will only be trading NQ, but I will be using the AIM and the S&P 500 for like SMT divergences and stuff like that, and things of that nature. So that's blessed. That's what's up. I will not be taking trades on ES, so just on NQ. So 5 minute on Thursday we were bullish. Turns out we were bearish, but I think we might still be able to find a trade. So no liquidity. Liquidity generated in PM. There. 1 minute. We sweep liquidity. We break structure. Let's see if we get any confluences. Our EQ gets wicked. No reaction out of this. Break a block. Yeah, nothing much. Yeah, you got nothing there. And then you have this. Go break a structure. Then we form this 5 minute liquidity that we previously marked up. We have this bearish fair value gap. Just low, 9.5 high. Yeah, valid bearish fair value gap. Break structure, so those are my 3 confluences. Put my stops right there. And target this previous high. 1 to 2. Solid. See, we did get an entry. That's pretty fire. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that's a good trade. That's a good setup. Just target this high. No need to go all the way up here. As I said, PM session. Not the best volume. 1 TP. 1 or 2. Not bad. And we don't get any second breaks of strength. Oh, we do, but as you see, nothing out of it. This liquidity provide anything? Yeah. As I said, taking a trade. Dubbed. No need to take another trade. If we did, yes, we would have lost. That's all good. So that's 2R or 1R on Thursday. Let's see, Friday, no news. Friday we are bullish. Yep, Friday we are bullish. Let's see, no liquidity. Nothing. Liquidity. It's starting to look like what I just trolled on the support resistance, dudes. Okay. Is there S&T anywhere? At 6:15. But it already swept. Okay. As we can see, price sweeps and it's the smallest breaker for value at 625. The high is, yeah, that's not a fair value yet. You could say argue this, but look how much times it's just been mitigated. So, you break structure. I think we fill this. Yeah, we fill equilibrium. So I would have entered there, and we get stopped out. So that's -1 R on the day. Let's see. We sweep out these lows, and then we break structure right there, and then we get a fill. Hold up. We get a fill of equilibrium. Yeah. So that would have been 2 L's on the day. 2 L's on the day. Is what it is. Is there anything else? Nah, it's just 2 L's. Would have lost that day. It happens. Yeah, would have lost. Nah. Yeah. Losing day. 2 trades and we're out. Took an L. One thing is also, look at this chop. All that chop. Especially after this big volatile move up. Debatable if I would have traded, but on paper, 2 L's. Stop arguing with myself. And Saturday, last day. You might be wondering why Saturday's open. New Zealand is quite ahead in time. So this is like at 5 in the morning. Out here, Saturday. No news. So Saturday we are bullish. Yeah, Saturday we are bullish. It's a 5 minute. We are bullish. Liquidity right here. Liquidity right here. Pardon me. Okay. Alright. We see about these lows. Boom. Break structure. We get a break. Bullish reaction out of equilibrium. Get stopped out. It's all good. We create another 5 minute low. We get that breaker structure right there. And then boom. We get this fair value gap. Let me draw it up for you boys. Here it goes. Boom. Bullish reaction out. Entering right there. And our stop's gonna be right there. because you want to be aware that this breaker block, equilibrium hadn't been filled yet, and wicks are just better places to put your stop loss at, and TP could just be right there. And I'm still back testing on whether I should enter on the second breaker structure just to confirm that price is going to go high. It's not just going to chomp. So I could have avoided those two losses. I could have avoided this loss because see, we get the breaker structure. Cool. We wait for another breaker structure. Boom, we don't get it. So that's something I might be back testing and I will share with you guys. But as of that, this is how I'm going to be trading, hopefully, until I graduate, until I stop trading, or until forever, because I want this to be profitable. I want this to be my job. But yeah, Teenage Trader series. Hopefully going to be consistent with it. And yeah, I'll catch you boys and girls in the next episode. Won't be as long as 16 minutes. 16 minutes is crazy. But hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Sorry for the voice, I'm a bit sick. Sore throat and that. But catch you guys later. More content coming soon. See ya.